Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera from MDC Trading Academy with today's pre-market forecast for Tuesday, October 22nd. No news items to be concerned with about today. Let's quickly jump to our analysis with our daily chart. As we see, we had this market range between these two key areas here. Market broke through the pre-market this morning. Volume continues to be lower, but there's no reason to expect any different movement than we did yesterday. It's probably going to be a similar kind of day. Market's probably going to make its first move, probably against the overall direction, and ultimately find its legs and potentially head higher. Let's see why we believe that. We can look at our higher termed time frame. As you can see, market is coming, and let me just fix this real cool so you can see it clearly. Market is coming off this particular area here. As you can see, market has broken through that area clearly, so that's why we're anticipating a little bit more of a connection to the continuation to the upside, because once we break these very key areas, market tend to continue in that particular direction. Let me just do this again so we can see it more clearly here. There we go. That's where our trend line was. Market broke through the trend line. That's why we're expecting a little bit of a more of a continuation to the upside. We can see it even more clearly here in our next time frame here. You can see here's the market. Here's our key resistance area, which was lower. Market retest what we had considered as a focal. We broke through it. We came and bounced off this resistance, this support line, which we had developed here from way back when. We had this market works nowhere near it, but looks how the market holds and clearly breaks through. It breaks through, returns, and it breaks through again. That's why we're continuing and expecting more continuation to the upside this morning. Now, here we go. We're coming back to retest, very similar to yesterday. The first move on this market can potentially be down here to retest this intraday high and before it moves higher. Now, it can also come a little below it. Remember, it's going to try to find a floor. So what we have here is another potential area. And what we have here is another potential area. So basically, that's where the market is moving. But this trend line to the upside is what gives us the hint that, and the evidence that we're expecting more movement to the upside. So keep your eyes open on these key areas here. Check out for reaction, getting your confirmation before pulling the trigger. Take care and have a great trading session.